We have had a ball! Fantastic. Truly, what a fantastic moment for us at this point in our career, and to have you guys and girls part of it is unbelievably great. Thank you so much. There is never a moment that we leave the stage without the following, whether it be in the evenings, usually, or some strange field in the middle of nowhere, some festival. From us in Fleetwood Mac to you, take care of yourselves, and in this extremely crazy world we seem to be living in, be so kind to one another. We do love you so very much. And remember, the Mac is most definitely